Hello, we will move on to the next part of the lesson from third paper, Unit 3, page 23. This lecture is for PMTTI Batch 5, Branch Dum Dum. Today we will discuss on child rights education. Everyone has human rights and the children are no exception. There has been a long-standing focus on protecting the children from all types of abuses. Throughout the world, both in developing and underdeveloped countries, the cases of child abuses are increasing at an alarming rate. So, we must take a look on what legal steps are taken both nationally and internationally. Article 21A of Indian Constitution ensures the free and compulsory elementary education of the children. Article 39 ensures protection from being abused or forced to enter occupation unsuited to their age. Article 29 of United Nations Convention on the Right of Child recommends that education is a must for children for developing their physical, mental talents and abilities. The purpose of this article is to protect children from all types of violence and sexual abuses. Article 6 gives the children the right not to be killed, and Article 12 emphasizes on right to be heard the ideas of the children and to take them seriously. This much for today. Now please go through the book page 23 up to article 12. Thank you, students.